What's up guys, I'm Chirag and welcome to this video. So guys, I'm so excited to mark the 5th YouTube-versary since the very first upload of any video on this channel, that is SRCCDE. And guys, I'm so glad and so excited to inform you that now we are the family of 5,000 plus subscribers and I'm so excited about it. So guys, this would not have been possible without your immense support and love. Thank you so much guys for supporting this channel and seeing it grow this far. So guys, apart from that, I would like to inform you that I'm running a poll under community tab on what tutorial or which tutorial series should I do next. So guys, please go ahead and vote. And so far I see 50 votes that falls for the AWS Cloud Formation. And I'm planning to close that poll by Friday, that is tomorrow. So guys, please go ahead and vote. So guys, that's all for this video. And again, I would like to request you that please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, thank you again for so much love, support and subscription. Thank you so much. Okay, ready words. Okay.
આડો ઉપર છે
લાવવા માટે અવાજ લાવો. આ ફેસ બ્લર આવે પછી